Good morning all. Today we are going to see how to remove malware, viruses, trojans from your PC or laptop only using these three steps. First, press Windows key and search for clean MGR. Now it will show an application like disk cleanup. Just open it, click OK. Now select all and click on cleanup system files and then OK. Then press Windows plus R, search for temp and press enter. Then select all and delete it. After that, go back and again press Windows plus R, search for percentage, temp percentage and click enter and select all, delete it. After that, again Windows plus R and search for prefix and select all and delete it. And at last, search for MRT, click enter, click yes. Okay, this is Microsoft Windows malicious software removal tool. This is a free software provided by Microsoft. Click next. And if you are hurry and fast, so you can go for quick scan. And if you have plenty of time, you can use full scan. I personally recommend full scan and click finish. That's all. After that, you can go to Malware and download virus scanner and free antivirus for Windows. I have already downloaded it and deleted it. You can download it and run a quick scan, and after you can delete it. After this, restart your PC. Then you will start to see the changes.